doses. Everyone at your get-together should have had both doses of vaccine. Your Chicago radio forecast calls for lows near 30 tonight, potential snow tomorrow with highs in the low 30s. It's 42 and...
Bravo Mike, Infinity reference, breaking and entering, multiple breaking and entering. Red wall camera, there's multiple units behind the vehicle and on track. Well, I copy about it. Passing Sterling. Relationship. Are you 231?
Eastbound 49, 5922.
I'm with him.
10-4.
I'll call it from here.
10-4, 5922, calling it.
Air 1's 2 minutes out.
10-4, Air 1.
Air 1 got him in sight. 4,000 block, southeast 183rd Avenue Road, northbound.
10-4, 4,000 block, northbound.
Air 1's gonna call it.
Hey, it's Stanford.
Kilo, answer, do you want to tell them if they want to just advise?
For Kilo 51 is footbail.
I don't know if they'll be able to fit it. It's a flatbed dually truck.
10-4.
We can't follow it if it gets to where you don't need to back off of it. Air 1 westbound on 40 from 183rd Avenue.
10-4, westbound 4056.
40.
17,000 block, setting up stop 6. 17,000 block at East 40, stop 6.
Unit shall back off just a little bit so he'll go slow down going through this intersection. And hopefully you can get him to stop sticks.
Tango 5758 approaching now. They're approaching you now.
He's in the middle lane now, coming to you. Still the center lane now, coming to you.
10-4, stop 6 hit.
Air 1, he's pulling over at Newby's Corner. Gas station. Gas station.
H-Street 1033, vehicle pulling over, new beast going. Here's westbound. Back westbound.
Yeah, he's coming up to it now. It's a signal 4. Both directions are stopped.
Station 1033.
Mary, he's still westbound. He's not signal 4. There's just a signal 4 on 40.
That's 10-4, 6377.
Wrong time, traffic still ahead.
10-4.
Yes! Alright, he's getting stuck. Y'all box him in there.
Yo, there's a police check. Yo, they're trying to get this boat. He's screwed. Oh, no. Got it. Is this legit?
Like police are blocking traffic on Northwest 10th going eastbound. We got extra patrol cars that are moving traffic over and giving this guy a wide berth here so there's no traffic. And I'm looking to the east on Northwest 10th right now, and there is no traffic in front of this person at all. Like I said, it looks like we... Roger, we got him in sight. We'll maintain visual. Again, we're still going eastbound on Northwest 10th. You can see Air 1 right there in the screen. We'll be coming up to, let me see, we'll be coming up to Council here shortly. So if he maintains, he just crashed. It looks like he may have went through that
Crash.